Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're a proud Toyota 4Runner owner, you know that keeping your seats in top-notch condition is a must. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best Toyota 4Runner seat covers on the market. Whether you're looking for ultimate comfort, style, durability, or protection against spills and stains, we've got you covered. We'll explore the finest options that combine aesthetics with functionality, ensuring your ride looks sharp and stays pristine. Each seat cover we're showcasing has been carefully selected based on quality, user reviews, and overall value. So, if you're ready to give your 4Runner's interior the upgrade it deserves, stay tuned. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. BAMACAR 4 Toyota 4Runner Seat Covers 2011 to 2023, TRD Off-Road/TRD Pro/5 seat, leather full set is the perfect upgrade for your Toyota 4Runner, combining style, comfort, and functionality in one package. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, these seat covers offer a premium look with a beautiful carbon fiber pattern design that enhances the interior aesthetics of your vehicle. The faux leather material not only adds a touch of luxury but also ensures a comfortable seating experience, while the carbon fiber design provides additional support and a sophisticated appearance. These seat covers are meticulously customized to match the original seat sizes of Toyota 4Runner models from 2011 to 2023, ensuring they maintain the full functionality of the seats, including airbags, seat belts, armrests, and seat adjustments. The separate headrest covers are designed for easy adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect position for optimal comfort and safety. One of the standout features of the BAMACAR seat covers is their ease of maintenance and durability. The faux leather material is resistant to wear and tear, stains, and spills, making it a more durable option compared to genuine leather. Cleaning these seat covers is a breeze, requiring minimal effort to keep them looking their best. This makes them an ideal choice for busy individuals who want to keep their vehicle interiors in top condition without investing too much time and effort in maintenance. Additionally, BAMACAR offers satisfying service, ensuring customer peace of mind with their 30-day free replacement policy for any damages that occurred during delivery or normal use. If any issues arise, their responsive customer service team is ready to provide solutions within 24 hours. Overall, the BAMACAR 4 Toyota 4Runner Seat Covers 2011 to 2023 is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's interior with high-quality, stylish, and durable seat covers. Number 2. iRChuan 5 Car Seat Covers Full Set Waterproof Leather Universal Nissan Honda Civic CR-V HR-V Kia Sorento Toyota Corolla 4Runner Camry Hyundai Jeep Ford Focus Edge Mazda, Full Set, Black, are an excellent choice for enhancing the interior of your Toyota 4Runner. These seat covers are meticulously designed to fit various rear bench configurations such as 50-50, 40-60, and 60-40 splits, making them suitable for 99% of vehicles including sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, crossovers, pickup trucks, crew cabs, vans, and electric vehicles. Constructed from high-grade leather, these covers offer maximum comfort and durability, being both waterproof and wear-resistant. This makes them ideal for all seasons, ensuring your seats are protected year-round. The diamond-style design with stitched accents not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides comprehensive protection for your seats while introducing a vibrant aesthetic to your vehicle's interior. The covers are also designed with airbag compatibility in mind, ensuring that safety features are never compromised, with ample space left for airbag deployment. Additionally, the 2 pockets on the front seat backs are incredibly convenient for storing small items, keeping your car tidy and organized. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in about 25 minutes without the need for any tools, thanks to the included installation instructions. Once installed correctly, the covers remain securely in place, preventing any sliding or movement. These seat covers are particularly suitable for the best Toyota 4Runner seat covers, providing a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality for your vehicle. With their breathable material, stylish design, and easy installation, the iRChuan 5 Car Seat Covers Full Set is a fantastic upgrade for any car interior, ensuring both protection and aesthetic enhancement. Number 3. EKR Custom Fit 4Runner Car Seat Covers for select Toyota 4Runner 2011 to 2024, only for 5 seats version, full set, leather, black, offer an exceptional upgrade for your Toyota 4Runner's interior. With a meticulous 4-layer construction that includes foam padding and a protective polyester shell, these covers promise unparalleled comfort and durability. The top layer, made of high-quality leatherette, enhances the luxurious feel of your vehicle while ensuring great breathability and water resistance, making it easy to clean and maintain. These seat covers are specifically designed to match the factory seat style with precision stitching, ensuring a seamless integration with your car's interior. The high-quality buckles and zippers are crafted for a secure fit, preventing any slipping or movement over time. Tailor-made to the exact specifications of the Toyota 4Runner seats, these covers provide excellent protection against spills, stains, and potential damage, preserving the pristine condition of your car's upholstery. Installation is designed for the do-it-yourself enthusiast, although achieving the snug fit may require some effort and patience. The package includes a full set of covers for both the front and rear seats, headrest covers, and necessary airbag cutouts, ensuring comprehensive protection and safety. The EKR seat covers also come with a 2-year limited warranty against defects, underscoring the brand's confidence in their product's longevity and performance. Being 100% brand new, they offer an instant transformation of your car's interior, providing a fresh, sleek look and enhancing the overall driving experience. These covers are specifically tailored for the 5-seats version of the Toyota 4Runner from model years 2011 to 2024, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. With their combination of durability, style, and functionality, the EKR Custom Fit 4Runner car seat covers are an outstanding choice for those seeking the best Toyota 4Runner seat covers available on the market today. Number 4. Tide seat covers compatible with 2011 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner are an exceptional choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's interior with a sleek, protective, and durable solution. These seat covers are exclusively designed to fit the 2011 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner models with 2 rows and 5 seats, ensuring a perfect fit that blends seamlessly with the original design of your vehicle. Constructed from eco-friendly, high-quality wear-resistant PU leather, these seat covers not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your car's interior but also offer robust protection against scratches and stains. One of the standout features of the Tide seat covers is their compatibility with airbag deployment and seat heating functions, ensuring safety and comfort are never compromised. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly, thanks to the comprehensive installation video provided, making it easy for anyone to achieve a professional look without the need for specialized tools or expertise. The seat covers design allows for all edges to be neatly tucked into the seats, maintaining a clean and beautiful appearance that complements the overall look of your Toyota 4Runner. Additionally, Tides offers a 30-day no-reason-free return service, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Should you have any questions or concerns, their responsive customer service team is readily available via email to provide satisfactory after-sales support. It's important to note that these seat covers are not compatible with models featuring 3 rows of seats or the 7-seater configurations, as the second-row seats differ from the 5-seater models. Overall, the Tide seat covers for the 2011 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner offer a high-quality, stylish, and functional solution for protecting and enhancing your vehicle's interior, making them a top choice for anyone looking for the best seat covers for their Toyota 4Runner. Number 5. Oasis Auto Toyota 4Runner Accessories Seat Covers 2010 to 2025 Custom Fit Leather Cover Protector Cushion, Front Pair, Gray, offer a blend of style, protection, and ease of installation that makes them an exceptional choice for upgrading your Toyota 4Runner's interior. These seat covers are tailor-fit, designed specifically for the Toyota 4Runner from model years 2010 to 2025, ensuring a precise fit that seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's seats. The elegant gray leather finish adds a touch of sophistication to your car's interior, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. The durable leather material not only enhances the visual appeal but also serves as a robust protector for your original seats, shielding them from wear and tear, spills, and stains. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, thanks to the step-by-step instructional video available on YouTube. By searching for Oasis Auto Universal /Tailor Fit Seat Cover installation, you can follow along with the clear and detailed guide, making the installation process smooth and manageable even for those who are not particularly handy. The custom-fit design ensures that the covers stay in place without shifting, providing consistent protection and a polished look. Additionally, purchasing these seat covers is a risk-free investment, as they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee through Amazon Prime. This means you can buy with confidence, knowing that if the covers do not meet your expectations, returns are simple and hassle-free. The Oasis promises to cover up your faded, old interior and protect your original seats while making your vehicle one of a kind. These high-quality, universal-fit car seat covers transform your interior, giving your vehicle a fresh, unique look. Whether you're aiming to rejuvenate your 4Runner's appearance or safeguard its seats from future damage, the Oasis Auto Toyota 4Runner accessories seat covers deliver on all fronts, combining aesthetic enhancement with practical protection. In conclusion, finding the perfect seat covers for your Toyota 4Runner can enhance both comfort and protection, making every drive a better experience. From durable materials that stand up to heavy use, to stylish designs that complement your vehicle's interior, the right seat covers can offer a significant upgrade. Whether you're looking for all-weather protection, a touch of luxury, or simply something to keep your seats looking like new, there's a variety of options to suit your needs. Investing in high-quality seat covers is a smart move for anyone wanting to maintain the value and appearance of their 4Runner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and share this video for more updates and reviews.